In this question, you have to match the components given under column 1 with that of column 2. Now, malonate is the competitive inhibitor of the catalytic activity of succinic dehydrogenase. Thus, A matches with 2. Now, collagen, which is proteinaceous in nature, possesses peptide bonds. Thus, B matches with 4. Now, chitin is a homopolymer that is present in the cell wall of fungi and exoskeleton of arthropods. Thus, C matches with 3. Arbine and ricin are toxins, which are secondary metabolites. Thus, D matches with 1. Hence, the correct answer is option C.